In this video, we'll demonstrate various noises that are common with induction cooktops. Induction cooktops use a high-frequency copper coil located just below the cooking surface that produces a magnetic field. This magnetic field creates heat by causing the electrons in the ferrous metal pan to vibrate. While the pan can get very hot, the cooking surface itself does not actually heat. If the cooking surface becomes warm to the touch, it's due to the heat from the pan transferring to the main top. When cooking or boiling with induction, you may hear humming noises. This is normal. Different types of cookware may produce light sounds like hums or buzzes. Heavier pans such as enameled cast iron produces less sounds than a lighter weight, multi-layered stainless steel pan. The size of the pan, the amount of contents, and the flatness of the pan can also contribute to the sound level. When using adjacent elements that are set at certain power level settings, pans may interact with each other and produce a whistle or intermittent hum. You can reduce these noises by lowering or raising the power level settings of one or both elements. Moving the pan to another burner may also reduce these noises. Magnetic induction cooking requires the use of cookware made of ferrous metals. These are metals such as iron or steel. Heavier cookware and cookware with a higher content of ferrous metal produces less sounds while cooking on induction units. If the cookware does not meet the minimum requirements for the burner, the element may emit a noise that is trying to find the cookware. Pans that completely cover the element ring will produce less sounds. To find out if the cookware is the right size, use a flat ruler and measure the bottom of the cookware. If the cookware has a design, measure from edge to edge of the design and not the cookware itself. For more information and videos about how induction works, the type of cookware to use, and more, visit our induction cooking page.